Reviewsinsidetv is the place where everyday messes meet straight-talking reviews. And today, the spotlight is on a compact cleaner that's built for tight spaces, quick jobs, and life on the move. The Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum. This is a cordless, lightweight handheld designed specifically for cars, upholstery, hard surfaces, and those awkward areas where full-size vacuums simply don't fit. No hype up front, no teardown just yet. Just a calm look at what this machine is designed to do and whether it actually delivers when real dirt shows up. At its core, this is Dyson's most powerful handheld format, rated at 115 air watts. Air watts are a practical way to understand suction because they factor in both airflow and pressure. So in everyday terms, this tells you how effectively the vacuum can lift and move dirt, not just how loud the motor sounds. That suction is paired with two power modes. The lower mode is designed for longer runtimes and lighter debris, while the higher mode is there for ground-in dirt, pet hair, and fabric cleaning, where agitation matters. Dyson claims up to 50 minutes of runtime, and that figure applies to the low-power mode with a non-motorized tool attached, which is typical for cordless handhelds in this category. In real use, that translates to multiple car cleanups or several spot cleaning sessions around the house before needing a recharge. This vacuum uses a bagless bin with a clear design, so you can see exactly when it needs emptying. Capacity is modest, as expected for a handheld, but practical. For car interiors or furniture touch-ups, it doesn't fill up unreasonably fast, and emptying it is a straightforward point-and-shoot process without needing to touch the dirt. Filtration is a strong point here. The whole machine system traps 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns, which includes fine dust, allergens, and pet dander. For allergy sufferers, that means what gets picked up stays inside the vacuum instead of being blown back into the air. The included tools are clearly chosen for real-world scenarios rather than padding the box. The mini motorized tool is the star for fabric. It uses a powered brush roll to dig into upholstery, car seats, and pet beds, lifting hair and embedded grit that a plain nozzle would skim over. The combination tool switches between a wide nozzle for concentrated suction and a soft brush for more delicate surfaces like dashboards or shelves. Then there's the crevice tool, slim enough to reach deep between seats, along baseboards, and into narrow gaps that are usually ignored because they're such a hassle to clean. Together, these attachments cover most handheld cleaning needs without redundancy. Setup is refreshingly simple. Out of the box, it's a matter of charging it, clicking on a tool, and pulling the trigger. There's no learning curve, no confusing controls. In daily use, it feels balanced in the hand, not nose-heavy, and the weight stays manageable even when cleaning overhead areas or reaching down into footwells. On hard surfaces like tiled floors or kitchen corners, the suction is strong enough to grab fine dust, crumbs, and grit in a single pass. On carpets and rugs, especially in cars, switching to the higher power mode with the mini motorized tool makes a noticeable difference. Pet hair that's woven into fabric lifts out rather than smearing around. Under furniture and in tight spaces, this vacuum really earns its keep. The slim profile lets it reach areas where upright or stick vacuums struggle, and the crevice tool's length helps pull debris from corners without needing to contort your wrist. Long hair does wrap around the brush roll over time, as it does with most motorized tools, but cleaning it off is manageable and doesn't require tools or excessive effort. Noise is present, but controlled. On the lower power mode, it's comfortable enough to use without feeling harsh, and while the high mode is louder, it's not painfully shrill. It sounds purposeful rather than chaotic, which matters when you're cleaning in a confined space like a car interior. Some strengths become obvious the longer you use it. The suction consistency doesn't drop off suddenly, the filtration keeps exhaust air clean, and the build quality feels solid. The plastics don't creak, the connections lock in firmly, and nothing feels flimsy. That said, there are limitations worth talking about. The high power mode drains the battery quickly, so it's best used in short bursts rather than extended sessions. The dustbin, while easy to empty, will feel small if you're trying to clean a very dirty vehicle or tackling multiple jobs back to back. And as a handheld, it's not designed to replace a full-size vacuum for whole home cleaning, especially on large carpeted areas. Quick pause here. If this kind of no-nonsense breakdown helps you keep your home or car cleaner with less effort, tapping like, subscribing to Reviews Inside TV, and hitting the bell means you won't miss future cleanups, both literal and honest. When it comes to value, the Dyson Car+Boat sits at a premium end of the handheld vacuum market. What you're paying for is strong suction in a compact form, excellent filtration, reliable battery performance in low power mode, and tools that actually get used. Maintenance costs are low since there are no bags and filters are washable. Compared to cheaper handhelds, especially entry-level cordless models, the difference in suction and build quality is noticeable. You're also getting a longer usable runtime than many budget alternatives that fade quickly or lose power as the battery drains. Looking at alternatives people often consider, some handhelds from Shark offer similar convenience at a lower price, but typically with less suction and shorter runtimes. Larger cordless stick vacuums like Dyson's own V-Series offer more versatility for whole home cleaning, but they're heavier, bulkier, and overkill if your main goal is car interiors and spot cleaning. In this niche, the Car+Boat stands out for focused performance rather than trying to be everything at once. Over time, the materials and overall construction suggest this vacuum is built to last within its intended use. Filters are easy to clean, the bin mechanism feels durable, and the motorized tool doesn't feel disposable. For a handheld that's likely to be grabbed often and stored in a car boot or cupboard, that durability matters. So where does this leave us? The Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum makes the most sense for people who want powerful, reliable cleaning for cars, upholstery, stairs, and small messes without dragging out a full-size machine. Pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who values strong suction in a compact body will appreciate what it offers. It's not a replacement for a main household vacuum, and it's not the cheapest option, but it delivers exactly what it promises in its category: strong handheld performance with minimal compromise. Thanks for spending your time with Reviews Inside TV today. If you're thinking of picking one up, you'll find where to get it in the comments box below. Drop your questions there too, or share your experience if this vacuum is already part of your cleaning routine. Goodbye till next time, and remember, at Reviews Inside TV, we clean up the facts before you clean up the mess.